Y'all, I had to do a really quick update. No, I'm not pleased with this. I have to literally put the light super away from me, and you can still see these squiggly lines. It's too harsh. I'm so disappointed. I was really rooting for it. And the mic, although it looks like it's like professional and stuff, I mean, come on, I know it's from Five and Below. It wasn't going to be super great or ideal, but it's happened twice. I've connected it to my phone and it just like goes berserk, or the app I have open or the camera either takes pictures when it's not supposed to. So I don't know if it's like a defect or again if it's my phone, but no, man, I'm really disappointed with this because, again, for the most part, I'm never disappointed, hardly disappointed with Five and Below, but this was a miss, man. Like, I'm not happy with it. All their other products, but this is by Aconic, and again, it's the same for the pug light. The pug light I'm here for, but this thing, like it got like super complicated, and again, the light itself is comparable to a ring light, but those squiggly lines, no. I'm not thrilled with it. Sorry. So maybe save yourself the $10, really. With that being said, if you like my videos and would like to follow me here on YouTube, you can hit the subscription button or hit the notification button for my next upload. I'll be reviewing a couple of shows that are coming up. Narcos. And yeah, just stay tuned. And if you like what you see, give us a like. And leave me some constructive criticism in the description box. Oh, I'm sorry. In the comment section below. It's late. Forgive me. Um, but yeah, nonetheless, I'm so disappointed. I'm not really disappointed for Five and Below, but no, the lighting and the mic. Every time I try to connect it, it goes kind of berserk. So